This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jackie Crawford. Step inside and fall in love with this all-brick 2-story home located on a large, beautifully landscaped cul-de-sac lot in stunning Indian River Plantation. Home features a welcoming, bright and open floor plan downstairs with a gourmet kitchen west/island, maple cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Home also features a spacious first-floor owner's suite with tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, jetted tub, tiled shower and dual sinks. True 5-bedroom home plus a first-floor office adjacent to the foyer and dining room. Bonus features include 3-car side-load attached garage and intercom system. For more information, review the details below.